How to show how much you have been connected on a meeting on Zoom for Windows. If you want to see how much time you have been connected to a meeting, you can do that very easily. You do not need to start the timer on your phone. Zoom has an option for this. To do this, just open Zoom. You need to have an account on Zoom to set up these settings, so log in with your account on Zoom, like I have here. Now click on the Settings button. If you do not see this button, click on the profile icon and from the menu select Settings. You will see an option here, Show my connected time. Check that box. Now you can close the settings. When you enter into a meeting, Zoom will start a timer. Let's test this. You see now, on the top right, a timer is started. You will see the exact time you have been connected to the meeting. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.